In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Brevo. If you're new to Brevo or just looking to hone your skills in managing contacts, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in so you can start getting the most out of this powerful tool. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed to offer quick access to various sections, but for adding contacts, you'll want to focus on the sidebar to your left. Navigate to the Contacts tab. On clicking it, you will find several options, and your attention should now be directed toward Add a Contact. Select this, and you'll find yourself on a new page dedicated to entering contact information. Here, take a look at the form. Start by entering the contact's email address. Accuracy is key here, so double-check to ensure there are no typos. The email address is crucial as it serves as the unique identifier for each contact in your database. Next, let's move on to filling out additional fields such as the first name, last name, and any other information you have. Although these aren't required fields, they greatly enhance the personalization of your communication, making it more engaging for your contacts. Now, you'll notice that you can add more customized fields if you need to. These fields can include anything relevant to your business or campaign, such as company name or customer preferences. Customizing fields is simple and can significantly improve your segmentation strategy later on. Once you've entered all the details for your contact, I recommend taking a moment to review the information. It's easy to overlook small mistakes, but they can impact your future communications. Now, let's talk about lists. You can organize your contacts by adding them to specific lists. These lists help you segment your audience for targeted campaigns. Click on the Add to List option. Here, you can select an existing list or create a new one. For instance, you might have lists for newsletter subscribers, product purchasers, or event attendees. Before wrapping up, there's an important step to consider: setting any consent fields if your contacts have agreed to receive marketing material. By doing this, you ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR, which is crucial if you're operating within or have contacts in regions with strict data protection laws. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and click Save or Add Contact. Your contact is now saved in the Brevo system. You can find them by returning to the Contacts section and searching through your lists. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now confident in adding contacts in Brevo. With your newly added contacts, you can start crafting targeted communication that speaks directly to them. Make sure to explore other Brevo features to leverage the full potential of your marketing campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to see how you use this knowledge to grow your network.